Guys, guess who's the diet? Look at this. So, today I'm gonna cook. And yeah, that's my ingredients. Timon likes it, and the rest is I don't care about. Okay, this apple. Oh, it's not an apple. It's hey Timon, just oh man. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really tasty on apple. Just look at him. He's so. That really smells. How do you guys call this fishes in your language? Cause in my language it's just a second. Just don't go, police. I understand that Timon is an animal, but why he eats all this stuff I open here in this studio? Just look at him. Just don't do that. Okay, guys. So, brushing your teeth, or yeah, ask Timon. He knows. That is the perfect waffle. Really, just look at this. So, oh man, should I? That that looks so tasty, but okay. So just say me bye or so, and that. Just don't do that at home, really. Just waiting for you here.